The tourism industry is the worst hit during the COVID-19 and the subsequent lockdown. According to the World Tourism Organization, the sector has seen a decline of up to 80%. The estimated loss of revenue is around $1.2 trillion. A loss of such a magnitude is happening for the first time after the 1950s. However, the exact loss is still vague as it is uncertain to know when a full recovery would happen. All major tourist destinations in the world are being restructured for survival. In Thailand, one of the top tourist destinations in the Global Destination Cities Index, the tourism sector contributes 11% to the GDP. Lockdowns and flight cancellations have resulted in a loss. The streets, beaches, tattoo parlors and beer parlors on Khao San Road, which would be overcrowded on weekends, are now empty. Bangkok, with its sandy beach and Buddhist temples on the mountains, has always been tourist paradise. Visitors used to spend a day or two there. Now, the place is deserted. Even locals are ignoring restaurants and parlors fearing COVID infection. Many hotels and parlors that relied solely on foreign tourists are forced to close. Last year, 39.8 million foreign tourists visited Thailand. More than 40 million were expected this year. Experts point out that although Thailand had been on the top of the most visited places list, the recognition has not benefited the country's sustainable economic growth. That inspired, Thailand Tourism Authority has decided to give more importance to the development of local tourism. Massage parlors and coastal towns in Thailand have given Thailand the image of a sex tourism region. The realization that sustainable tourism is impossible without changing that image brought new changes like ecotourism. It remains to be seen whether sex tourism in Thailand will pave the way to cultural tourism. Not only in Thailand, but many countries that used to depend solely on tourism revenue are also facing an unparalleled crisis. Experts say that an economy that depends on tourism cannot be rewired so quickly. Urban tourism has fallen to complete dismay. Countries that depend on tourism are now assessing the impact of tourism on the environment. The damage mass gathering has caused to the environment and heritage cultural centers is enormous. Authorities also realize that tourism cannot develop further, ignoring locals. The restrictions imposed by Corona seem to have motivated a change in mindset. Amsterdam and Sydney, two of the world's leading tourist destinations, are preparing to try new tourism methods. Amsterdam will now try tourism with an emphasis on biodiversity. Cities like Barcelona have decided to stick to the concept of quality over quantity. This spirit of recognition teaches that we cannot move forward counting profits alone. We have to think of the environment and foresee pandemics like Corona to grow.